In this video, I will show you how to hide your birthday on Instagram. Many people choose to keep their birthday private for various reasons. Maybe you want to avoid unwanted messages or just prefer to keep your personal information to yourself. Whatever the reason, it is easy to change your settings. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your device. Once it's loaded, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You'll be taken to a new menu. At the very top, you'll see an option labeled Accounts Center. Tap on it to proceed. Once inside the Accounts Center, tap on Personal Details. In this menu, find and select Birthday. You'll now see an option called Who can see your birthday on Instagram? Tap on it. Then tap Change Visibility on Instagram to access visibility settings. Here comes the crucial part. You will see three different options regarding who can view your birthday. To completely hide your birthday from everyone else, select No One. After making this selection, don't forget to tap Save in order to apply these changes. And there you have it. Your birthday is now hidden from everyone on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.